Okay, absolutely insane things are happening. Uh, I told you two things that I've learned from speaking with my DC insiders that the president has the right to apply tariffs based on laws that the Senate has approved, which grant the power of the tariffs to the presidency. During the first Trump term, the Senate quietly, it was a initiative from Mitch McConnell, quietly spoke with the Democratic senator. I forgot the name now, and they wanted to repeal the law or the laws of granting the tariff power to the presidency. It didn't happen. What I know as well, that in 2019, the Supreme Court justices, all of them, they met and they said, they had a meeting and they said that they decided they were going to stop Trump during the next term, because it was widely expected that Trump would win. All 9 of them, like even the ones who pretend they support Trump or they are conservatives, all of them, all 9 of them. Now, Trump lost to Biden. It was a surprise, a pleasant surprise for them. But again, Trump won again in 2024 with a 300,000 voter difference in 7 swing states. And that's what he lost from in 2020 versus Biden. It was about, I think, 250,000 votes. And I told you that the Supreme Court justices' plan, basically the lawfare, the legal wars against Trump would be reactivated. And it happened. It is happening. So what happened today, right now, a few minutes ago, another federal court, deemed Trump tariffs as unconstitutional or something like that, put a hold of them. Now, another thing that my sources told me is that to never, ever, 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 ever bother interpreting U.S. Constitution and all these constitutional laws and the U.S. federal courts and all that. So I will not bother with that. And they told me that it's only a handful of people, maybe 100, 200, 300 people all across the United States of America who actually know inside out all the nuts and bolts of all the developments and all the decisions about the U.S. constitutions. It's a very small group. I don't know, 500 people, which is very, very, very small. So that's all I wanted to say. I mean, I am extremely, extremely surprised that the courts have gone to the point of interpreting laws or interpreting the Constitution to even halt the actual real power that the presidency has granted by the Senate, which are the tariffs. And again, I'm very, very, very much surprised. The courts are going to that point. That's all I wanted to say. And again, my standard message, it will get worse. Have no hope. Have a good night.